Last week we learned the felony charges filed against former Kern County Supervisor Zack Scrivner, and tonight we continue to follow this case.
Eyewitness News reporter Jasmine Knox spoke to a legal expert who breaks down those charges.
Zack Scrivner pleaded not guilty to gun charges and child abuse last Friday. We spoke to a law expert to further understand what these charges mean and how much time he could receive if convicted. 2 counts of possession of an assault rifle and 3 counts of willful cruelty to child is what former Kern County Supervisor Scrivner is up against. Court documents filed last Friday says on April 23, 2024, he willfully got in bed with one of his children and touched them inappropriately while consuming mood-altering drugs. The documents also allege one of the children tried to prevent him from committing self-harm after Scrivner pulled out a gun.
Having firearms, particularly automatic weapons, within arm's reach or where a child can access them can be considered abuse or neglect. So there are some allegations related there too.
So why was he officially being charged 10 months later? Former federal prosecutor Neama Rahmani says one of the reasons is because the Kern County's district attorney is his aunt.
Because the county has a conflict, this case had to go to the Attorney General's office, where Rob Bonta's office took over prosecution of the case.
After extensive investigation, Rob Bonta briefly spoke on this case on Tuesday, stating this criminal complaint filed is all true.
We spoke to witnesses and victims and examined all the evidence to come up with a fair, appropriate decision in the case.
Eyewitness News reached out to Kern County Supreme Court for a probable cause report that would entail specific facts and evidence found that led to his arrest. But we were told the probable cause report was sealed.
Oftentimes, probable cause reports are sealed until a defendant is arrested. Now that he's been arrested, they should be unsealed. Now, there may be information related to minors that is confidential.
If that's the case, the court could redact parts of the report or choose to keep it sealed entirely. Now, just how long could Scrivner be sentenced if found guilty on these charges?
If he pushes the case all the way to trial, and very few cases go all the way to trial, and he's convicted, he's looking at years in state prison.
Zack Scrivner's next court date is on May 1st, which will be a motion hearing. The prosecution team will need to provide evidence to the defense regarding these allegations. There may also be talks about a plea offer or even dismissing the case altogether. We will keep following this story as it unfolds. Reporting in studio, Jasmine Knox, Eyewitness News.
Hi, I'm Rochelle Murcia with Eyewitness News Bakersfield Now on YouTube. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel where we have tons of great content to choose from. While you're here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button right there. That way you can stay up to date on all the things related within Kern County. Thanks for watching.